Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. I'm in blue today, harvesting nettles, and this is the most abundant resource we have right now, and we are eating so many. And today I want to show you how I make my favorite nettle soup. I'm not branching into TV cooking, but this brings me so much joy that I want to share my favorite combinations. And actually I'm using these are maybe a year old, they're a bit grimy, but that's okay. I don't use a scissor, I just nip them off sort of, and just these top shoots are really delicious right now, and we've got loads more than we can eat, and they are super healthy. And I think it has been documented that nettles have been used as a pot herb, but also as a medicinal herb. Many medicinal properties in the nettles. You can make teas, you can make all kinds of things with these, and they are no problem to grow, as you can probably tell. But my body loves having these for dinner, and I want to show you how I make my favorite soup. So let's go inside and see how it goes. These gloves I use, I mean, you can get stung a little bit through these, but it's not a lot. And sometimes if I'm not harvesting a large portion, I'm just using my hands without any protection. So let's go inside. I always rinse these in cold water. You could also not, but since the small shoots they've just sort of come up, and they also, we've had a lot of rain lately, so sometimes that splashes some soil onto the underside of the leaves. So I'm actually I'm always rinsing. They get boiled, but it's nice to maybe also, there's a tiny snail or something. Usually they don't sting a lot when you put them in cold water, so they are fine to touch. So let's just leave these, and I will show you my ingredients and how I do it, and maybe you can make your own variation. I must say that I'm not a recipe person. I go sort of by the feel of it. So some olive oil in the pot. And then what I really like, the combination I really like to use is a curry. My favorite is, it's called kilik, mild Madras. I cannot get it on the island, so today I'm using something else. But you probably have your own favorite curry, and I'm just adding quite a lot. I mean, when you're making soups, you usually have to add double the amount of spices that you usually would. Garam Masala, amazing also. This one is really strong, some are not so strong, but this one I have to be a little careful about. So, hang on, like that. And then what I'm also always adding to, actually to all of my soups, is anise seeds. Well, it doesn't say, maybe you can see it says anise seeds. I promise it is, and just like a small bit. And then you have to sort of open that up with the oil. pretty simple. Once it starts, what is that? Smoking. I add some water. I mean, this is super simple, super easy. Then I'm adding this. This is stock, vegetable stock. Adding like 2-3 spoonful of this, depending on how big a portion I'm making. And then I'm adding these chopped tomatoes. I know this is permaculture, so I should do my own canning, but I don't. So there you have it. I have been, what is that, revealed, or the reason why I'm adding tomato is because I think the combination of tomato and the stingy nettles is amazing, but whoop, the combination of this is Hokkaido, and this is a whole sort of medium-sized Hokkaido, and a couple of carrots, 3, however many you want. And I think the combination of tomatoes, carrots, and Hokkaido is really amazing. And then if you add stingy nettles, your angels will sing, I promise. I know mine are. So let me see if I can get everything in there. Super simple. And you have to cover it, of course, with water. Also for the nettles to be boiled. I have to, so hang on, I have to check this. It's still okay. Sorry. And then I'm also always in every soup and sort of pan fry, I'm adding this Macedonian parsley. I love it. It's super fresh and prolific right now. So why not add some of that? And last but not least, these the nettles, and I'm just adding, making sure that you can see there's a little bit of soil in the bottom of this bowl, but that's not a lot actually, so I think we're all good. Ooh, this is gonna be good. So I would add a little bit more water maybe. They do shrink a little bit, of course, once they are boiled, and they only need maybe 10-15 minutes. So it's not the nettles that takes the longest. It's probably these the Hokkaidos and the carrots, but you can eat those after 15 minutes too, if you like something with a bit of bite. But this is not everything. I also usually add a bit of soy sauce because it has this deep umami, and it's just a tiny bit. If you don't like it, you can omit it. Then some ground pepper is always also good. And I think the pièce de résistance is this combination. I'm using this is apple cider vinegar, and this is Agave's syrup. And I think this combination is bringing out the best in everything. So I would add maybe like a spoonful of this vinegar, and then I would add maybe a spoonful, maybe two, maybe. So you have to start with a spoonful and then see how I think it makes the combination of all the spices come out and intensify. So I really like this combination, especially in soups. I think it would be maybe interesting for you to try. Maybe you have other combinations, but I mean, look how fast this is. This is only good stuff. And the nettles, I think they are full of vitamins and they are full of iron and stuff that we need right now. And when I planned this video, I suddenly remembered that, you know, these tangas, these, it's not religious images that you can buy. These are like Buddhist sacred images. They are the first one I bought, and I have it hanging in here, and I want to show you because this is my aspiration. So this tanga, I think I got it in Nepal maybe, or in India, and it's actually a Buddhist sage called Milarepa, and the story about him is that he was sitting in a cave, he was meditating in a cave, and he survived only by eating stingy nettles, and he turned completely green. So this is my aspiration. I just think they have power, and you can taste it and you can feel it in the body. So I hope you experiment with making your own perfect variation of nettle soup. Thanks for watching, and see you later.